have stripped the gun down and we have sprayed it with this gold paint. And now we've got to assemble it back together when it dries. It's almost dry, so we can assemble it. I've put it back together, and as you can see I've sprayed that black as well, instead of the orange it used to be. And it looks pretty good, it turned out well. Do I like it? And it's all assembled now. There it is. A gold M82 BB gun. It's quite a good gun. It comes with a silencer and torch grip and ACOG scope for the rails. Oh, apart from that, what goes in the barrel.